Do you think Buddhism is the best religion? I never try to propagate Buddhism in non Buddhist countries, partly out of my respect for other religious traditions, and partly out of a desire to foster interreligious harmony. 你认为佛教是最好的宗教吗？我从不试图在非佛教国家传播佛教。一方面是因为我尊重其他宗教传统，另一方面是因为我希望促进不同宗教之间的和谐共存。